The Manila International Auto Show, or MIAS, marked its 15th year of opening its door to the public as a premier automotive expo. With the theme Experience Fun and Function, the 2019 MIAS was held at the World Trade Center in Pasay City on April 4 to 7. Just like the past years, this year's MIAS showcased the latest products and innovations from the local automotive industry. It also provided a perfect venue for visitors to immerse in various auto and motor-related activities.
We have a lot of brands. I guess there are too many to name, but we have most brands available in the market right now. And aside from the car brands, we also have commercial vehicle brands and truck brands, as well as aftermarket parts and services.
The major highlight of the 15th MIAS was the big launches and display from a number of car makers and manufacturers. AutoNation Group officially launched and previewed the all-new Jeep Compass.
Over the last few years, we have only been bringing a few ranges like the Wrangler and the Grand Cherokee into the Filipino market. With the Jeep brand moving into the city driving arena globally, we are proud to bring back the all-new Compass with the Trailhawk version, firstly launched in Philippines today. Over the next couple of months, we will be bringing a whole new range of Jeep Compass with different trims and variants into the country, which will suit the Filipino market exceptionally well.
Meanwhile, MG Philippines displayed 3 models which are also available for test drive: MG ZS crossover SUV, the MG RX5 compact SUV, and the MG6 fastback sedan. The event also served as the culminating venue for MG Philippines' ongoing free concert series, MG Live.
We're really very excited to present a very new brand of ours, which is MG in the Philippines. We introduced it 6 months ago, and today in MIAS, we're really formally showing it to the public, everything that we have shown the past 6 months. But today, we're going to present the MG6, which is our very exciting new car for MG. And of course, for everybody to understand what MG stands for here in the Philippines.
Moreover, Hyundai Asia Resources Inc. also displayed its lineup of latest products including the all-new Reyna, Palisade, and Kona.
We are so privileged to be showcasing 2 of our newest models of Hyundai here, and it is because of the theme of MIAS this year is Experience, the Fun and Function. The reason why we called it Hyundai Rockology is a combination of rock and technology, and that's what Hyundai is really all about. Delivering new experience to the customers, delivering new technology, so that like with our latest 2 new models, we just launched the Hyundai Palisade, the first largest SUV of Hyundai.
Kia Philippines launched their newest models, the Stinger GT and the Forte GT.
The Kia Forte is what we call a C segment, a compact sedan. Technically, it's called the C segment. So it's a medium-sized sedan, and it can be used by executives or businessmen for their everyday car use. The beautiful thing about this is that it's not just performance, because it's full-size. You can have 4 or 5 people in the car, apart from the driver, so your family can stay with you. It can be your everyday car. It's very comfortable. The sound system is impeccable. So you can talk even at high volumes because it's 15-speaker sound system gives you that benefit. So whether in traffic or on a fast ride on a Sunday morning, like I did, that's the car for you.
Suzuki Philippines highlighted the all-new Jimny, the 7-seater Ertiga, Swift, Desire, and the Vitara. Meanwhile, Subaru Philippines unveiled the XV GT Edition.
We're very excited that we are one of the countries to be able to see first the XV GT. It's an upgraded version of the XV ISI sight, so you get all of the 4 core technologies of Subaru. And then you also get a wraparound body kit, some additional features, leather seats. It's a very sporty look. And just for a minimal increase in price, you get a very, very sporty, rugged, and sexy XV.
Apart from the car launches and displays, other partners were also present during the event. Back in the Philippine Islands offered exclusive auto loan deals at the event.
For the Manila International Auto Show, every borrower who applies for a car loan will be entitled to a free insurance, a free chattel mortgage free, we have free gas cards as well. And of course, we have our very, very low rates. We're one of the first to offer auto financing to anybody who wants to have their own dream car. And we are making this possible through various financing options. And of course, we're the first again to bring you the free insurance. And only for this auto show, we're giving away free chattel mortgage fee as well.
CTEC and PIAA also displayed a roster of their products, which are mostly accessories and equipment for cars.
Today in MIAS, well this weekend in MIAS, we're promoting the new horns of PIAA or PIA, and also the new LED bulbs that we released. And also, we have CTEC for car battery chargers. For the show, we launched the PIA Auto Horn. That's our new affordable horns for the cars. And also the Hyper Arrows LED bulbs, also from PIA. These are also the more affordable LED lamps.
Also joining the list of exhibitors was Concept One Wheels, which showcased their latest offerings, including the Black Rhino wheels and other quality products.
We always showcase what we have for the latest products that we have for Concept One, Black Rhino, Nito tires, and we all constantly update with what we're promoting. This year, we're promoting the overlanding lifestyle. Other than just wheels and tires, we have the camping equipment so that families can enjoy the kind of lifestyle that's away from your screens. It's fun. Our country has 7,100 islands to go trekking and adventure.
ACDelco is a GM brand, it's a General Motors brand. Basically in the United States, it's been there for 100 years and it has over 37 product groups ranging from suspension, filters, lubricants, batteries. But here in the Philippines, it is known to be just a battery brand. Okay, but right now we are bringing ACDelco with filters, suspension parts, batteries, lubricants, some fluids, wiper blades, not just for Chevrolet cars, not just for GM cars, but we are having it for Hyundai, Toyota, Isuzu, Honda, and Ford. So basically, it's an aftermarket brand for those cars, but with a quality that is of OE quality.